big one. And so today I'm going to make some juice for morning breakfast. So first I get some orange, yep, and this is cucumber. I'm hungry, that's why I'm shaking. And this one is pineapple. I like apples, so I get some more apples mixed. Okay, and important thing is the celery. The celery is very healthy and have a lot of vitamin in it, so I'm gonna make it. Okay, get some more orange. Okay, let with me make some juice for healthy breakfast. First start, we need to cut some pineapple to make the juice. Oops, I forgot to wash this, so I'm not gonna take all of the celery, so I just take maybe 2 or 3. So after washing the ingredient, I cut it small so it's easy to make the juice. And get the orange as well. This is cucumber, I just take and apples. Okay, here is all I'm gonna make for the juice on this fruit. Okay, for breakfast I'm a bit hungry. Very good. Very healthy, and I like the taste of the celery. It's very nice.
Without letting you ever go.
We have celery, orange, apples, 2 types of apples. So we're gonna make the juice for this quite big celery, very big. But celery is healthy. Yeah, it's close.
Yeah,
No, it should be like this.
No.
Yeah.
I made it like this. Yeah.
So normally we put wrong way, right?
Yeah, we put wrong.
orange.
I think they're still sleeping in India.
Yeah, now it's just what time now? Green apples, celery, very many nutrition and protein, not protein, right? It's help you to lose weight. Really good. Even I feel full after drinking this, so it's help you lose weight. Look, you drink one, try one, it's really good. Here, look, take it, give me 1 cup. No, you don't make you try, it really good. How is it? Too good? Really good. Ok, xin chào tạm biệt các bạn.